My name is Andrés Felipe Sánchez. I currently practice concierge and executive internal medicine. Thinking about the medical field always led me to be intrigued by its complexity. However, it was very early on seeing the relationship of my mother and her internist that specifically made a very huge impact as to what a doctor does and how he or she develops a relationship with the patients. So specifically, I remember when my mother would be ill and her doctor wasn't available and she only really wanted him to be the one to tend to her. I guess she not only had developed a very intimate relationship with her doctor, but also trusted a lot in this particular doctor's medical judgment. My patient care philosophy really entails two things. Number one is sincere, open, and honest communication. I definitely want to make sure that the patient genuinely trusts me as their physician, but also as a two-way relationship, I also want to make sure that I'm able to trust what a patient is telling me, and setting those expectations from the beginning is very important. But the other aspect that's not relational really has to do with making sure that I'm up to date with medical knowledge, medical treatments, and biotechnological advances in medicine. Because I've come to find out how an early application of these biotechnological advances can really prevent or promptly treat the suffering of a patient. One interest that really links my professional and private life is that of technology and technological advances. So I'm really a techie kind of person, but I really enjoy when technology translates into medical care and making things run smoothly, both for the patient and myself. Two of the aspects that led me to start working with Signature Healthcare was one, the relational aspect, the ability to make longitudinal relationships with my patients. And the second aspect really is being the master clinician, taking the time to both listen to the patient and diagnose and treat the patient, as opposed to referring them to a different provider or subspecialist. And here at Signature Health, both staff and patients feel like family. And with that said, certainly looking forward to serving you as a physician here at Signature Healthcare.